This device is used to find the diameter and length of objects up to an accuracy of 1/10 of a millimeter. This device has two scales. First, the main scale. Second, the vernier scale. Main scale readings are in centimeters, while vernier scale readings are in millimeters.
Least count is the difference between one main scale division and one vernier scale division. First, we note the least count of the vernier caliper. Second, we note the zero error of the device, if any.
Third, we note the main scale reading.
Fourth, we note the vernier scale reading.
Now we multiply the vernier scale reading by the least count and add it to the main scale reading. Thus, we obtain the diameter of the given.